Good day, everyone. Before we start, we have a disclosure. Please be aware we have a risk in the future trading. Very straightforward today. I'd like to cover our signal entries. And on the ES, we had a sell today. And let me show you on a bigger chart. Beautiful, all the way down, all day long. And we had an entry. You can see it on the market analyzer. The entry price was 26.25, and all this based on one contract, one trade. So when we have the new signal, what we are looking at here, 119 based on the last signal. The YM 231 takes based on the last signal. NASDAQ 321 takes based on one entry and on the last signal. 157, and we just got a new entry on the gold, and then a 6E and a 30-year treasury bond. From the last signals, you can see the total is 1,126 takes. And I'd like to show you that it's not an accident. Every single chart has hit the target today. And if we look at the entry price, that's what you see from the market analyzer, entry price and the target. The target is 25.8975. And then you have the trailing stop, and you can see there is a floor in Fibs. Excuse me. So from the entry signal, we hit the target. Here's your target. And now it's pulling back to the re-entry point. This is an extreme powerful chart, even for a manual trading. If you don't want to do any automated, it is a very, very accurate. And you can see all the levels, how the market came into our fib line support, then it broke in to that next level and then pulled back. And you can see we had just few ticks below our target, and then the market kicked back. This is the ES based on 1 minute. Let's look on the YM, and it is the same story, folks. Look, and we can see we had the entry right there and the target. And you can see when the target hit, we came in exactly to the fib line, and then to the second, and then at the end, we have the target and pulled back right at the re-entry point. This is the YM. The accuracy is amazing. So we see the same things on different instruments. And let's look at the NASDAQ. It's the same story. Your entry, look at this, came in exactly to the fib line, and now is pulling back. And here's your target. Let's look at the DAX. Look, this is your entry on the DAX. Where is the DAX? It's right here on Market Analyzer. 113 tick. Came in straight to the target and went a little bit below our target to the fib line and a kickback. Very nice. Let's look at Russell. Here is your Russell. Here's your entry point. We hit the target, and you can see where the market was struggling right there to the tick. Then it came into this yellow line, and then we have the target, and it came back exactly to the re-entry point. Let's look at the CL. It's the same story. We had a sell entry, and we missed the target on the CL right there. You can see it came into the last fib, and we have missed. So out of all of them, we missed one, and it's not over yet. So when we had the target, we were almost 2,000 ticks into the profit. So at the moment, ES 122 ticks, 253 ticks on the Nasdaq, on the YM, sorry. On the Nasdaq entry was 25, 65.24, and then the target was 64.27. So we had much more than that at Russell. And then the CL, we had an entry at 63.30, and then we had the target at 61.69. So only the CL did not hit the target. You can see it yourself, came in the first time at 61.85, pulling back to the re-entry point, and then came exactly to our fib line at 61.85. So there is to our customers on the newer update, version 13 on the NT8, we were doing this project here, a newer update for the swing trading here, the automatic trading, and we did. But then when they have, because on that system there is a 3 different system. You can have it fully automated, an ATM or an ATM strategy, but they're all 3 on the same entry. But on NinjaTrader 13, after they did the NinjaTrader 13, we need to go back and re-update the ATM strategies. So they did something with the ATM, so we need to update with the ATM on the latest version. So this one is going to cause a little delay on the sending the latest version because of the update on version 13 on NinjaTrader 8. So we need to do minor upgrading one more time and then send it out to everyone. Folks, wish you best weekend, and we'll see you all next week. God bless you all. Bye for now.